If you eat spinach raw, you're literally throwing money in the trash. And even worse, yes, greens are healthy, but only if you know how to prepare them. Otherwise, it is just useless grass. Raw spinach contains oxalic acid. It binds calcium. As a result, not strong bones, but a risk of kidney stones. Now pay attention, iron from raw spinach is absorbed at only 2%. Only 2. After heat treatment, up to 30%. That is a 15-fold difference. What should you do? Remember this. First, spinach should be blanched for 1 minute or lightly sautéed. Second, add lemon juice or a little oil. This helps vitamins become more available. Third, do not eat it in large quantities in its raw form. Important, heat treatment does not destroy the benefits. It makes them accessible. You are paying for vitamins, but getting just a salad. Save this video. Send it to a friend. She will definitely be surprised. And in my profile, I have explained 9 more foods that we eat incorrectly. Subscribe and stay with me.